Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land, another snack review, another food review where we usually try something different, something new, something unusual, something I have not tasted before. It is the fall season, pumpkin spice season. People go crazy for pumpkin spice. I don't know why, but anyhow, so I found a new fall item I have not had before, as far as I can remember from my recollection at all. Saw a new product from Little Debbie, the pumpkin spice mini donuts. That's right, the pumpkin spice mini donuts. I like Little Debbie's mini donuts, and these are pumpkin spice flavor, so we're going to try these out, see how they taste. I got these sealed pretty good. Usually not sealed that good. Yeah, they kind of look like we have one, like the cinnamon flavored mini donuts. Let's see how these taste. I'll try one more. Overall, not bad. I do like a good donut. I do like Little Debbie's mini donuts. I like those. The pumpkin spice flavor is there. You can taste it. It's not overpowering, yet at the same time it's not so small that you can't taste it at all. So I like that aspect. Would I purchase these donuts again? Probably not, just because pumpkin spice is not really my thing. But they're not bad. They're not bad at all. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give these a 7. 7 for, part of that's because of effort. They did a really good job. But they are it's just the tiny little donuts that have a little bit of a pumpkin spice flavor to it. They did a real good job of balancing that flavor with the donut taste. It's not overpowering. But it's just a mini donut, so with a little bit of pumpkin spice flavor to it. That's what you're getting. So we have it, the mini pumpkin spice donuts, or pumpkin spice mini donuts from Little Debbie. I thank you for watching. And until next time, that's a wrap.